so we're on our way to get chimichangas from ALLSUP'S. I love chimichangas. I grew up eating chimichangas. And chimichangas. Everybody's sleeping. So we're getting chimichangas. What are we getting? Chimichangas. Chimichangas. That's what we're doing. Okay. So we're on our way to get some chimichangas. We had a whisper a while ago because like people are sleeping, but we got this. Once again, what are we getting? Chimichangas. You don't have to whisper now. Chimichangas. What are we getting? We're getting some chimichangas from where?
ALLSUP'S.
What? What are we doing?
We're getting chimichangas from ALLSUP'S.
Alright, so we made it to ALLSUP'S. Everybody put y'all's masks on. Abby's like ready.
I know. Oh my god.
Here we go. We're gonna go up in this hole and get some chimichangas. Oh my god, they're so good. Are you guys ready? Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
I don't think they're ready. Look, watch. We are at ALLSUP'S here in Seminole, Texas.
Daddy? No, not really.
Okay, let's go up in this hall.
Let's go.
Hurry! Hurry! Who's paying? ALLSUP'S? We are doing it. Dude. The chimichangas, the beef and beef burritos, and the Hatch green chili burritos. Which ones do you want? Do you want one of these?
I just want chili.
What is this?
Pizza.
Is this new?
It's deep fried pizza.
What?
Yeah.
Shall we? Shall we try it?
No.
Shall we?
It's not all that great. Do you wanna?
Have y'all tried it?
No. You wanna go ahead? Yeah.
Shall we try the pizza?
Yeah.
Shall we? We're doing it. This is the menu in case anybody wants to see it. Y'all can pause it. Pause it and check it out. So what are we getting? We're getting this, this, and this. What do you want?
Chimi too, I guess.
Anything you want from here.
Freaking chimi.
A freaking chimney and a freaking chicken.
Yeah. I'll get it now.
No, dude, I'm buying.
He's buying.
I'm buying.
He's buying.
I got it.
Can I get... Do you want chimney too? Yeah, I just want Can I get 3 chimneys?
Yes, spicy one.
It's spicy.
The spicy chicken.
And then a spicy chicken.
Oh, we're all repping. Pretty good work.
I don't have pretty good art. It's in my heart.
It's in your
3 chimneys, a spicy chicken, one of the Hatch burritos, and this is a fried pizza, right? What does it have on the inside?
Oh my goodness.
Is it like pepperoni? Okay, I'll do one of those. And then some of the hot sauce.
Get me one of those too.
You want, I'll give you half
Sure.
I'm probably not gonna eat them. Unless
Do you want me to
want a full
No,
one.
it's okay.
And can I get a package of mobile? Okay, so we got the junk. We got the. Hold on.
I totally did not leave.
We got the. You left it running?
Yeah, I
Why would you leave your car running?
It's just habit.
Hold on. We need hand sanitizer.
Oh, that
Oh, you got some?
suave.
What suave? Ooh, she fancy. Does she know who she with? She with Gato over here. Give me more. Okay. So what we get? Chimichangas. We got chimichangas, guys. Don't tell nobody. What we got?
Recording.
Well,
We
yeah.
got chimichangas.
Okay, say bye until we start eating. You guys are gonna be so jealous. Look at those lashes, though. Look at those lashes. Show them your lashes. Without glasses. Look at that. Ooh.
Aha.
Ooh.
I can taste the tension like a cloud of smoke in the air. Now I'm breathing like I'm running. Ooh, 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 ooh. We can do this all night. Baby, come on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, the best I've ever known. Every second is a highlight. When we touch, don't ever let me go. Dirty dancing in the moonlight. Take me down like I'm a domino. Every second is a highlight. When we touch, don't ever let me go. Oh baby, baby, got me feeling so right. Oh baby, baby, dancing in the moonlight. Oh baby, baby, got me feeling so
Sorry, can't be perfect. Please don't turn your back. I can't believe it's hard just to talk to you, but you don't understand. Cause we lost it all. Nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Cause we lost it all. Nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Alright, so we are back, and we got the chimichangas, the fried pizza, and chicken. The chicken.
Where's the taco sauce?
And then I washed the taco sauce. See? I washed it. It's clean.
What did I say?
What did you say? And then Abby was like, should we wash the chimichanga? She thinks she's funny. Cheers.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
You deserve so bad.
Don't be suspicious.
Cloudy's like jumping over here. But it's like, I'm not fudge. Oh my god. It's so good.
And what are you wearing?
I'm creating it or account. I'm like, what the? Dude, I cannot come to cinema and not have one of these. You know, Bill was telling me that they're gross.
Really?
And she's like, dude, those are gross. They make them the same grease. They probably do.
Yeah, they do. Mm-hmm. It is kind of gross. Like, think about it. That's kind of gross.
Stop it. You want your chicken?
Spicy.
Have you guys had this one?
Mm-hmm.
I think this one's better
Really?
than the chimichangas. You want to?
They do them for breakfast. They do those for breakfast. Oh, okay.
Are you kidding me? I was gonna cut it in 3 pieces.
Look, that's why you don't come in. It's gonna fall.
All the cheese comes out.
Yeah. This is good.
Okay. That's delicious. See this? You see all that cheese on you want to buy it?
I'm good. I should have gotten one of those. I'm good.
Oh.
Is it better? It is. You want to try it?
Okay.
I'm good.
2 bite. 2 bite.
Try it. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of tastes like a chicken thing.
Want you to look at the animal? Okay. What I actually really want to try is this fried pizza. Should we open it? Like, should we break it? Here. We're gonna break it to see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Cheers. Ooh, white fries. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. Oh my god, bro.
Yeah. It feels like lasagna. It's like a pizza roll, but that's fried. Like a fried pizza roll.
The little ones? Yeah. It's so good. What about Claudia? He's like, bitch, I want some too.
You're so mean to get right next to his plate.
He'll
Me
get
too.
sick. He'll get sick. We're not sharing with him because we don't want him to get sick.
Just What's chicken?
I want pizza.
I'm so full.
Me too, but whatever.
I have a drink. Is it ALLSUP'S mukbang?
Excuse you, sir. Mukbang or mukbang?
I don't know.
Whatever it's called.
It's an ALLSUP'S one.
And then some chicken. Cheers. You got some hot sauce on Trish's hand. She loves it, don't worry. Usually. It's some of the best taco sauce ever. Right?
It's good.
So what do you think? Amazing? Let me put Rowdy down. Say bye, baby. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Be like bye. 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 What was your favorite?
The hatch.
The hatch one is the best.
Yeah. I didn't really have the hatch one.
Where's the hatch?
It's
The paper.
in here.
Okay. If you guys ever go to ALLSUP'S, this is the best one. Even though the pizza was super good. Super good. But yeah. Shout out to ALLSUP'S. Whatever. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, please give me a thumbs up. If y'all didn't, that's fine. Subscribe and do all that extra bullshit. This is my niece Abby. And that's my niece Lupita. Her name's Lupita. We call her Lupita.
LUIP. Okay, we did
We
it.
don't know how to spell it. That's fine.
IDAHH.
Or L.
That's why I have it on my phone.
Lupita.
DAHH.
Don't waste them.
No.
Don't waste them. Alright, bye guys.